Bryant ahead of the field. LeBron tries to chase down. Came up short.
Sayang. Konti na lang. Alam naman natin, pagdating sa chase down, LeBron James yan.
I got something for you, King. And then this is the old Michael Jordan thing right here. Out of my behind. Nice try, young fella.
Kung sa unang video, hindi niya inabot si Kobe. Sa All-Star yon. But on this game, the following videos you will be watching, talagang totoong laro. Kaya panoorin, mag-enjoy.
They steal it all the way. Brought by LeBron. It's brought by James.
It's a 2-on-1. Here comes LeBron. Hope for the block. LeBron James blocked it. Alexander Walker on the fly. James made it defensively out of the chase down block.
Kung meron mang nag-iisang chase down king, walang iba si LeBron James. Ang kanyang depensa ay hindi basta-basta, hindi sumusuko. Talagang he is chasing the ball to block it, to stop the offensive player. Ganun katindi ang tinatawag nating king.